Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. Are you guys struggling with weak Wi-Fi signals? Don't be panic. Today we will solve your problem in just few minutes. So in today's video we will discuss how to set up WAVLINK WN575A4 Wi-Fi Extender. If you're looking for the best Wi-Fi extender that easily extend your home Wi-Fi, then this video is specially made for you. Basically the WAVLINK WN575A4 Wi-Fi Extender is a dual-band AC 1200 range extender designed to boost weak Wi-Fi signals and expand coverage across your home. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. First of all, unbox the extender box. Inside the WAVLINK WN575A4 Wi-Fi Extender box, you typically get the Wi-Fi range extender device itself and a quick start guide to help with setup. Everything is packed in a compact wall plug design, so no extra power adapter or cables are usually needed for basic use. Now plug the WAVLINK WN575A4 extender into a wall socket near your router. Turn it on. Wait 30 to 60 seconds until the power LED becomes stable. Now use a computer or mobile device to connect to the extender's default Wi-Fi network, usually named WAVLINK XXXX. Open a browser and enter 192.168.10.1 in the address bar. This will bring you to the extender's login page. The default username and password are both usually admin. Select operation mode. Choose repeater mode. This mode extends your existing Wi-Fi network. Click Next/Continue. The extender will scan nearby Wi-Fi networks. Find your home router Wi-Fi name in the list. Click on your network. Make sure you select the correct 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz band. Type your main router's Wi-Fi password carefully. Password is case sensitive, capital letters matter. Click Next/Apply. You can choose to keep the same Wi-Fi name as your router or rename it to something like myWiFi_EXT or HomeWiFi_5G_EXT. Keeping _EXT helps identify the extender network easily. Click Save/Apply. The extender will reboot automatically. Wait 2 to 3 minutes for connection. After setup is complete, move the extender to a location halfway between your router and weak signal area where the router signal is still medium to strong. If placed too far, it will extend a weak signal. Now setup is complete. Now your setup process is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will always guide you. Thank you so much to watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.